Hi YouTube, this is just a short video looking at the model aircraft that I've collected so far over the past couple of months. It's only a small collection at the minute, but I'm hoping to get some more in the near future. But yeah, this is the collection so far. First up is the Airbus A380. You can see, very nice plane. Doesn't stand up properly though. Next up, Boeing 787 Dreamliner. Again, really nice plane. Actually, I'm just wondering when is it going to be coming into service, but should be in the next couple of years, I would have thought. And the next one, British Airways Airbus Industry A320. Probably the smallest model I've got so far. But, yep. That one. Oh. Next one I've got is the Thomas Cook Airlines 757-200. And my pride and joy is this, which is Airbus A380 scale 1 to 200 of scale, so it's absolutely massive. It's even got engines that actually, when you blow into them, they actually spin round and stuff. And this one was quite a bit of money. This one was like, I think it was £30. But yeah, that is my absolute favourite aircraft. A lot of money. I wouldn't mind getting one in the either Emirates colours or Qantas, but I don't really want to pay another 30 quid for just a new livery. So, but yeah, that's my airplane collection, guys. Rate, comment and subscribe, and I will catch you soon, guys. Right, bye.